Can food allergies be prevented? Is it possible to prevent food allergies from developing in the first place? The answer is yes. In the LEAP study, infants were divided into two groups. One was exposed to peanuts on a regular basis, and the other was not. At age 5 years, researchers were astonished to find that the children who had not been exposed to peanuts were up to 7 times more likely to be allergic to peanuts than those who had been. It is for this reason that for weaning, physicians now recommend a wholesome, varied diet so that children can be exposed to various kinds of allergens from the very beginning. It is important to stress, however, that patients who are already allergic need to speak to their physicians and obtain guidance. This knowledge is also relevant, however, for other aspects of our life and our relation with food. Increasingly, we are becoming aware of food as a cause of chronic systemic inflammation in our bodies, being a causative factor for cardiovascular disease. It is the same refined and ultra-refined processed foods which cause this. Since the agricultural and industrial revolution, increasingly a myth has been propagated by large food corporations within our capitalist money-driven system that easy to obtain processed long life storage foods are good for us. A myth that affluent mothers need to keep their children safe by giving them sterile, tinned, stored food. A myth that science has understood and conquered everything and food could simply be put inside a pill. That is fundamentally incorrect. Whether it's the emergence of pediatric food allergies or increased chronic systemic inflammation in adults, processed, refined, and ultra-refined food is to blame for all of these problems. No, we cannot replace organic, wholesome, original food. We all need to cook, and we need to teach our children how to cook healthy, wholesome food.